this 45-day training, I expect that all of you will actively engage in learning the basics of VIP protection and our various lines of operation. Anticipate that the VIP protection course combines physical and mental tests and exercises to prepare you for our VIP's engagements.
Pakita nyo yung disiplina kahit pagod, stress, andun yung disiplina, okay?
Yes, sir!
Ito, piniprepare natin sila kasi we are preparing them to greater responsibilities. Kinakailangan palakasin yung katawan. At the same time, magkaroon sila ng yung thinking na even under stress, nandun yung disiplina, tapos yung stability ng kanilang katawan, ma-develop natin yun sa kanila.
Sa extrication, kailangan nila magbuhat ng tao, maglipat ng mga bagay, tumakbo ng mabilis, tsaka dapat hindi sila nakakaramdam ng pagod habang ginagawa nila yan. Ito na, yung paggagawa na nila ng plano, tapos yung extrication na nila, kung paano nila i-execute, paano sasabog, kunyari may nangyari, kung paano may extricate at may lalabas yung kanilang VIP na walang mangyayari. Yun yung pinaka-excited ko.
As a member of the Presidential Security Group, I firmly resolve to perform my entrusted duty to protect the President of the Republic of the Philippines to the best of my ability, with the highest sense of courage, valor, and patriotism. When it becomes necessary that I have to make the ultimate sacrifice, then let it be so. For beyond anything else, my commitment lies in the noble quest of living up to the genuine meaning of the profession of arms and serving the realization of dreams and aspirations of the Filipino nation. So help me God.
Pinaka-importante kasi namin dito is yung confidence ninyo na umawak ng baril, nandun na. Yun lang, okay na kami doon, masaya na kami doon. Yung safety sa paghawak ng baril kasi yun yung pinaka-importante namin, lalo na kapag nag-duty na tayo. So with that, VIP PC 129 and 130, congratulations!
These soldiers are all decorated soldiers. They have their own story, their own war stories, their own stories of valor. So I'm so honored and privileged and humbled to be part of this space.